Good afternoon. Hoping all are doing well. So today this was lesson 3. This is real-time face detection using Python in Pictoblox. Was very quite an interesting lesson to be able to have the privilege to have done, as most of the time we see these real-world applications of facial recognition, but the complexity of the code in most of the applications that we have, for example, computer vision, OpenCV, the likes, the code is very complex. So we actually get to realize that actually using Pictoblox by Stempedia and this lesson that they've just provided, this can be a fun and interactive way to actually delve into the world of artificial intelligence and facial recognition for the young generation to actually be able to be in a position to learn at a very younger age. Yeah, so basically the code that we did as an activity today, the objective was to be able to write code that will detect a face, and if a face is detected, it would actually say the expression of the face. If nothing else happens, it should say no face detected. Yeah, so we start with our first line, which is on line number 6, which is FD equals to face detection. So FD equals to face detection. We have a variable FD that contains the face detection object to build the face detection functions. So this object is the one that contains all the functions that are actually going to be used uh, when uh, when actually programming this face detection system. Next of all, we have f.video open bracket on and 0. So meaning that on video, we're actually turning on our video, and 0 means that we have a transparency of 0. So with facial recognition, we want to pinpoint where exactly our face is. So that is why on line number 9 we have FD enable box. So we should be in a position to actually enable the box to actually show where our face is located. Afterwards, we need to set our threshold. Our threshold gives us the value as to say on which side uh, should our threshold lie. If 50-50, it means that the facial detection is either true or false and is at a 50-50 ratio, and it's not sure as to say whether it actually recognized the thing that it recognized. So at 0.4, we actually have a good threshold that is set. So next thing we want to define now to say that if our camera actually analyzes the face and the number of faces is more than one, you should actually give the facial expression from the camera. So we have to use the while true loop where we have our camera. If we were to use a picture already available, we're gonna analyze stage, but in this case we're actually using analyze camera. So when we analyze camera, we want to check the number of faces that have been detected. If the count is more than 0, the sprite should actually give out the expression of the facial image that it would have been detected. If not, no face will be detected. So I will just give a brief demonstration of what we actually did today. Let me run the program. Okay, this takes a bit of time to actually load up. Okay, so as you can see, my face is not within the box. So when it's not within the box, it usually says no face detected. But then as I move away and most of my face is in the box, first it's neutral. When I smile, it's happy, surprised. So as you can see, there are quite a number of facial expressions that have been put here, which I think this is a great learning experience for the young generation, as this was also a great experience for me, because as I was able to actually experience uh, facial recognition at first hand while coding it on Pictoblox. So thank you very much, Stempedia, for this opportunity. Looking forward to doing the fourth lesson. Thank you.